three fluffies, little parakeets. The one is a glows in the night. These two are is shiny, dazzling with whatever. And this one is overly singing, but it has low batteries on them. She is a heavy can to die. And this one is he doesn't sing. His movies speak only, but he doesn't sing. But he doesn't sing. And this one is supposedly singing, but she began to die. And this glowing one is perfectly singing, perfectly. Hey, tell me a secret. Oh, oh, you like birdies. This one is so it is a nighttime theme. This one is springtime theme, and this one also will glow in the night. Oh, she's very perfect, but he's the fairest song you ever heard. And this weird looking legs, and she's very impressed. I'm your best friend. I'm serious, I'm your best friend. Hey, you see those wings, or in the night with the flowers? It's the same as the one who's imperfect who's singing. And this currently imperfect one is purposely conducting off. She's so much. I'm gonna have new batteries soon. This one and this one, you get new batteries soon. Oh, his name. Was not singing is begin to run on battery.